Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey guys, so today we went to Lakeland Generator and we actually gave a tour of it, which we'll be showing on this video. We'll be bringing you some other things from the future from Lakeland Generator, like we'll show their awesome generator lineup and maybe some more other tools. There's going to be a lot of that in the future, but today we're just going to take you around their shop and repair place and show you their lineup and everything. They're getting off the ground really good. Definitely check them out at lakelandgenerator.com, and also check out the link below in the description. I posted the link to Lakeland Generator's YouTube channel. Check them out. This video is going to be there as well. Now, that being said, don't forget to mow over the subscribe button, weed whack the notification bell, and smash the like button for us. Thanks, guys. You're the best.
Hey guys, we're here at Lakeland Generator. We're going to do a shop tour in a way. So there's Jaden. How's it going, Jaden? Pretty nice day. We're at the dealer shopping for mowers, string trimmers. You never know when we're going to buy something. So we got our Toro homeowner and prosumer, and then Cub in the back. We got more Toro and more Cub over there. We'll go through all those in a minute. Right now it looks like here's a time cutter.
And look,
that's nice.
Just showed up outside.
Yeah.
We'll go see his thoughts in just a bit.
Look at this, Jaden. It's got a 3-speed range.
That's nice.
Yeah, toe, small, and everything. Looks like
it's got that V-twin 24.5.
Hey, real Toro engine. Toro actually makes that engine, I heard.
Yeah.
60-inch deck. There's another one. Another Toro engine. Ooh, this one has my ride. Sit on that, Jaden. See what you think. That's nice.
Oh, I could watch a movie in this thing.
Look at this. It even adjusts right here. Let's try that. Now try it. See what you think. Stiffer?
Yeah.
What about now?
Oh wow, that is soft.
Cool. All right, let's go see some other stuff. Sorry about the sun, guys. It's pretty bad today. Here's more. We got some more of the same thing, just without time, and then 30-inch single cylinder. Got the Cub ZT2 Ultima.
I really like the deck on this. It's got the easy clean.
Yeah, it's got the 60-inch deck. That's nice.
And look at
here's a Z
Kawasaki FR 730B.
Yeah, that's nice.
24 horse.
730. Here's another. This is an FS. What's that one?
That's an FR.
Oh, so you got the better engine on this one.
Yeah.
That's nice. Better air cleaner. Look at that. Got suspension on the front. That's nice.
I love that suspension.
ZT3.
Kind of reminds me of the Ferris almost.
Got the ZT2,
Oh, yeah,
another
can't
one.
Forget the lights.
Yeah, LED lights from the factory. 42 is ZT1. That's nice. Oh, got the Kohler on it this time. That's 7000 series. Okay. Pretty good. Let's see what we have over here. RZT.
This is so cool.
Oh, that's weird. It's got the steering wheel on it. That's neat. By the way, guys, this is the Lakeland Generator. I don't know if I said that. Over there, and then also we got. You'll see it right off of Dreamfield Road in Lakeland, Florida. Cummins, Toro, Makita, Kawasaki, Vortex. I got some other brands too. So we'll go to the commercial in just a minute. Let's do the rest of the home. This one has this is the EFI engine. Makita EFI 679.
That engine right there.
MTD engine, yep. Fuel injected. That's what EFI stands for, in case you didn't know. LED light. Got some tractors, GT50s, LT46. Got the Kohler on that one. What's that? 22 horsepower.
46-inch right here.
25 horsepower. There we go. It's nice. Got some push mowers. Now there's more like what we would use right there.
Yeah.
2 blades.
This is so unique.
String trimmer. I've seen these.
Out.
These things are like really strong push mowers.
It's a weird string trimmer.
Oh man, the employees are taking in the mowers already. Let's see this one real quick.
What's that? Oh my goodness.
I have to blur his face out. Oh well. Got some more over here. I saw Dirt Monkey. Guys, if you haven't seen him, go check him out. He's actually really cool. He did one of those versus the 60-volt electric.
Flex Force.
Yeah. I think the Flex Force did better. Got some more.
Oh, and what do you know, guys?
cyclers.
We used to have one of these.
Oh, really?
It broke.
Oh. Okay. Makes sense. There we go. In case you ever need to reach them. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably too bright. So, we're going to go do the commercial real quick and we'll see you then. Now we're here back in the commercial area. Got this is the nicer machinery. They don't pull this in at night.
Got all our signs up here.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
They got more mowers. Oh, they got a lot of mowers in stock. In case you guys didn't know, they are having a open house 2020. In case you guys are watching this later in the year, open house on, let's see, November 12th and 13th, I believe. I'm gonna go double check on that. Alright guys, I was right. 12th and 13th of November 2020, so come check that out.
And if you can't be there in person, we are definitely going to film that, so don't forget to check that out.
We're going to go live, so please be there. We're going to be doing live. All the reps are going to be there that we present. We are also going to have the Mean Green there, which we are a new dealer for. So you're going to be able to see videos on fully electric Mean Green mowers. That should be interesting. We're going to put them through the real test, see how their 7-hour runtime works. So don't forget there. We're going to have not comments, but Toro reps there. We're going to have Cubs, Vortex, and then some others. So Makita's going to be there. So
We're going to have some Makita trucks.
Yes, Makita trucks. So come and check that out.
Alright, now
back to our review.
let's check out some commercial mowers. We've got our Toros up here. This side we've got the Cubs over there, so let's say we cover the Toros first.
Also, one other thing is, they always have demos. So if you come buy a machine, your machine goes down, you got demos and loaners. So let's say they have like, this one is a loaner. So that is a brand new Cub Toro stand-on. This one's also a loaner. It's gonna have some time on it.
Very nice grandstand.
Big Kohler eye on it. That's nice.
Don't take notes from Kohler.
What did you say?
Nothing about you, it's okay.
Yeah, we also like the Kohlers, so don't knock those, Jaden. Alright. There we go.
And here's that grandstand, and of course we have that classic Toro foldable stand platform.
10-gallon fuel tank, goes 10 miles an hour.
It's really nice. You've got the release here.
Push on it.
For it goes right down.
Alright, so this looks like a 3000 series, 48-inch deck. It's got the Kawasaki carbureted engine, FX651V.
V.
Nice setup. It has the Parker. It has the Parker gears in it. This one is the 2000, the normal 2000 series.
And look, the mowers have now got that classic Lakeland Generator stamp right there.
And then look at this, guys. We have a limited edition 2000 series HDX. That is a nice mower. It's got the rear wheels on it. My ride. So when you sit on that, you're gonna be like riding on a cloud with those wheels in my ride. It's got the 60-inch turbo force deck. Pretty nice. Has a jack lift area. So when you buy it, buy the jack with it, and then you just jack it up to do your blades.
So down here, if we take a look, where can we find that jack? Or
it doesn't come with it. You have to buy it separate.
Oh,
it comes with the mount, which is pretty nice.
Yeah,
it's got the MyRide on it. Real good suspension. Also a 10-gallon fuel tank.
Then over here we've got the
Kawasaki 7B.
other Z-Master here with the MyRide also.
5000 series.
5000 series, and yeah, we've got Kohler back here. I think it's that. Yep, Kohler ECV 740. That's nice.
Pro. Also in Parker gears. Got another mower here. Let's see. This one has 0 hours on it. Nice. This is the Turbo Force, so this is the one with all the attachments you can get. Also, it has 2-inch receivers, so you can move your trailers with it.
Oh no, that is cool. That is downright cool.
You can get it with the hydraulic lift, so no getting off the machine.
Here we've got the Cub Cadet ZTX4 right here.
So we also have that 36-inch Cub Cadet Pro 636 video is out. We ordered, I believe, 4 or 7 of those.
That's a diesel, by the way.
So we're starting back here in the Cub section. We've got the ZTX4 right here. We've got the, yep, that's the 60 Air Force Max. We've got the Kohler back here, 24 horse, of course. And man, those are some big tires.
Look behind you, you got a ZTX6.
That is nice. That's also a 60.
Kawasaki, big Kawasaki. Got the roll bar, big Pro X. This one's like mine, I believe.
60-inch though.
Yeah, 60-inch. That's nice. Here's a 48.
And we've got that classic 900 that we demoed for you guys. That
November 12th and 13th. We are going to have these mowers on demo, so you can try them out here. We're gonna have an obstacles course and everything. So.
yeah. And here, guys, we have the Pros Z972 SD. All right, just disregard him. It's got dualies here, so this one, its turning system is unique. So right here, if you look under here, let's take that off for a sec.
Got all of our gears. Look at that.
This is the gear system. So when you turn, guys, when you turn the wheel, you're not only shifting the wheels back there, but these are turning with it. So this is a true zero turn. You're tearing up zero turf. Go check out Dirt Monkey's video if you haven't already on this. This thing is a beast, I tell you.
We are going to have a video in the future. We just haven't gotten our hands on this yet. It's been out on demo, so this is not a demo. This is a brand new one.
And
we're looking to get rid of this thing. So if you guys want to come down, we can make you a deal.
That's right. And this is the Kawasaki FX1000V, 35 horse running here.
Don't forget, if you guys didn't watch Cub Cadet's live stream, they said they're going to have EFIs in all their new Pro models. So this one, the Pro Zs through the Pro X series model.
So that's right. Go check out Cub's premiere, not live stream, but their premiere. That'll tell you all you need to know about how the virus has impacted them and their 636 that they just brought out.
On maintenance was on there.
That's
Hopefully
right,
they'll get us
BLM.
next year, right?
Yeah, right.
Take ideas, Cub.
That's right. Share this post with your friends, guys, by the way, if you have not done so on any of our past videos.
And hit the like button. That helps us and it helps you. It keeps
That's right.
You're supporting us, and then we'll be able to get more cameras and better footage.
And quickly, might I just say, weed whack the notification bell and mow over the subscribe button.
That's right. So this is the new Pro Z900.
Classic 900, yeah.
We got 500 here. Ooh, this one has a quick shoot already installed. That's sweet.
And guys, just a tip for you quick shoot owners. If your quick shoot's stiffening up and there's nothing wrong with your screws, try throwing a little oil in. Seth had personal experience with that.
Right here and back in there's some spots. Let's see, let's grease this up. Okay, so we got here, lube all this and just pretty much grease it real good. Not grease, but oil it.
Yeah.
So just WD-40.
That's right.
Or like plaster.
So if you get a quicker advanced shoot like I did and the manual says to use grease, use oil, guys, because the grease will just make you a big mess.
More mowers, GX50, got more.
So guys, all these mowers that you've seen here, all right, we are going to demo in our videos over a period of time.
But for real, guys, this mower is going to be at the event, and I will let you try it. It's that way we can show off our twills. I mean, these twills are awesome. I would suggest getting them for your mower if you haven't. So.
Right.
We're going to go inside and check out there. Alright, guys, we're going to come on in here, check out the inside. Alright, we got our other mowers here, and more Makita. So we got our 2 push mowers, fully electric. This one has the double bank. Dirt Monkey actually made a video on this. We haven't gotten our hands on it yet, but as soon as possible, we will. We got more Makita, just drills, concrete wrappers, you name it, we can get it. They got the home standby brochures.
Yep.
We got the engine additives, chainsaws.
Air nailer with the air compressor too. You get that as a package.
It's the quiet series, only 60 decibels.
Now, guys, important thing here, all right, of the Makitas. If you are a coffee fan, this is going to be mandatory for you. We present to you the Makita cordless coffee maker.
Got your either 12 volt or 18 volt. Make 5 cups of coffee off an 18 volt battery. That's a 5 amp hour.
Comes with the cup.
It does not come with Keurig cup. It doesn't use Keurig cups yet. I heard they're working on it, so just one thing to point out. Back over here, we got, look at this. This is the 17-inch string span Makita string trimmer. It's lighter than, maybe you guys seen mine. Mine has the attachments on it. It's lighter than that one, I've noticed. It's a lot beefier. It feels like a gas trimmer. So when you have the batteries on there, it's got a lot more juice. We'll be demoing one of these soon, hopefully. So we'll make sure we keep you posted on that.
So guys, another thing that we want to show you, we're going to also keep you posted on, is this 18 and 36 volt, or 18/36 battery backpack.
So this is the setup with the 18. We also have the 36 volt piece that will allow you to use impacts and stuff all off of one piece. So,
yep. So that is a really nice addition, by the way.
Here's a 2021 drill. Let's open this one up. Oh, they got this on display. That's nice. Oh, look at that quality. It's only a let's see. Cannot tell the year at the moment.
It's old.
Like a 1932
it's old.
Drill.
I don't know that they had stuff like this in 1932. Anyway, this backpack, guys, for you, if you're a lawn crew, these blowers, for instance, the Makita blowers, they drain the battery really fast, and that's
just any blower does though.
I'm glad though, the Makitas especially, I'm glad they invented something like the backpack to keep it running for longer. And also, if you're like handyman doing homes, maybe building the inside of homes, this would be really nice to hook up to your impacts. Just go all day.
Impacts, but mainly hammer drills, concrete saws. They have a 9-inch concrete saw. I don't know if you've seen that before. That's sweet. So, one other thing to know about that. We've got all of our bits and stuff. Yeah, the Coca-Cola. Yes, we're going to have that there. It's going to be like 100-degree weather outside, so.
And guys, if you want to drink the same things that we do on the jobs, go get some Gold Peak iced tea from Lakeland Generator. Stuff's awesome. Gives us go-go juice for the day.
We got all of our more attachments, hats, I mean, you name it, we got it. String, more string, bars, chains, radios, fans.
What's in here?
That's especially for you, Jaden.
Oh, just...
Alright, we got more VP fuel. Just for you guys that are running gas string trimmers. We run electric, so we don't have to worry about that.
Mostly electric.
VP
Nice.
heads. We got more Vortex pressure washers. Lifetime warranty on the frame, don't forget that. It's got the big Honda motors, 4,000 PSI. It's pretty sweet. Got a 13-foot pole saw up there. Show you guys tree arbors. More equipment. So here's a backpack like mine almost. Then we got our bigger 76cc.
Yeah, I love this attachment, by the way. Dirt Monkey also included that in this video. And what this here is, it's got the paddles on the bottom, so to speak, and you just hook it up to the interchangeable like Seth says. You can do it to gas and electrics. Another good thing about these Makitas, they have their chainsaws. Those things hit the power max, man. We've got a brush cutter here. Like I'm doing a brush job right now. One of these would be awesome.
Got the dual handles. That's
very nice.
Attachments.
That is a really nice piece.
Hey, again, Lakeland Generator. Here's the generators.
Got him!
We got
LOL.
Kawasaki. We're also a Kawasaki dealer, so we got lots of that stuff. Pretty much any of your service kits.
Look, an employee.
Then we got fans. More fans. Concrete saws, blowers.
And if you're a Kawasaki guy like me, go get a Kawasaki hat.
And if you guys come, you get shirts, hats, burgers. So we're gonna have a barbecue, wraps, popcorn.
Hey guys, sad to say, but this is sadly where the GoPro cut off and we weren't able to get any more footage, but that's okay because if you show up to the open house, then you'll be able to see us and see it yourself in person. Also, we're gonna try to go live, okay? We're gonna try to go live, and if we don't go live, we're definitely gonna post a video on that. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the notification bell, tap the like button, and go over the subscribe button. Please tell your friends, and have a good one.